Hi folks, this is my Syma X8W drone. It came and I had a lot of difficulty getting it to fly. I assembled the entire drone and could not get it to fly. I searched and searched for ways to fix the problem, to troubleshoot the problem. The instructions that the Syma came with did not accurately explain how to attach the props, the rotors. So I'm going to try and show you now how to fix the problem of your Syma drone not flying. What was not explained was if you come in and take a close-up view, you can see that on one portion here it says A, and then if we look over on this one, it has a B. Now, if we look at our actual rotors, which I have placed here, this one is going to be, if we can get it into focus here, it should show you it has a B4. That means this will be going on B. Your other rotor, this one, if I can get it into focus, you should see an A. Not so easy to get it into focus. I think you can see it slightly. So here is an A4, it should say, which you should see right here on the rotor itself. So rotor A goes to A, rotor B goes to B. Hope that fixes the problem for you all.